How to unlink Instagram from Facebook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So you can do this from both Instagram and Facebook. I'll show you by using Instagram. Launch your Instagram application. Tap on your profile icon from your bottom right corner. Now go to the menu bar. After that, go to Account Center. Now go to Profiles and then go to your Facebook profile. And if there is this sync profile info toggled on, simply toggle this off. Next step, go back to Account Center, scroll all the way down and then go to Accounts. Now you will find your Facebook account. Simply tap on your Facebook account and then select remove. You will find an option of remove and then go to it. Confirm by tapping on continue. Confirm finish moving and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.